Hello folks, I'm DrJ from TradeMonster.com, where I am the co-founder of TradeMonster.com, deep discount brokerage firm. Check out some of the great free educational offerings, as well as a lot of the paper trading applications that allow you to test the trades before you actually make the trades over at the firm that I co-founded with my brother Pete, TradeMonster.com. Here's the way the markets are trading as far as volatility today. It's August 22nd. This is the volatility sonar report. Jamie's a little busy over there, as you might imagine, Jamie Terrell of Group 1, but I just spoke to him moments ago and this is what he told me. We do have a fairly steady selling of volatility today, but not in a big way. They're not pounding it down, but they are selling volatility over there. A lot of spreads that had been put on to profit from a big run up in VIX. Now people are putting on spreads to profit from a slipping back down towards 35, maybe even 30 for the VIX. We'll see if that happens. For instance, just now while I was standing in there, a big 1x2 put spread went up, whereby somebody bought the front month September 35 puts in the VIX, and they sold twice as many of the out of the money, I believe it was the 2250s in September. We'll be able to show it for you on the Trade Monster platform in just a sec with a little graphic. But they did that 1x2, fairly large, about 1200 by 2400 times for that big contract. Now, why would somebody do something like that? Because they think that the VIX could be drifting down and they'd like to profit from it, so they buy the 35 puts, but they wanted to finance some of it by selling those out of the money, further out of the money puts, because they don't think it'll get all the way down into those lower 20s. I happen to agree with that, in particular by September expiration, and that would be why somebody would do that trade. Now the VIX at mid-session, let me take a quick look, just below 42. It is down about 2.5% today. Been up as high as 43.60-ish today, and then as we rallied back, because we've kind of done this kind of a W pattern, because we were very low last night on the futures. Futures exploded to the upside after Tripoli fell to the rebels. Then after we opened this morning, we sold right back down. Now we're on the midst of climbing back up to a triple-digit gain, and that's why you see the volatility shrinking, but not just leaving in a big way, just shrinking a little bit. We'll see whether or not we have any impetus for a further contraction as we get closer and closer to Friday, which of course is Jackson Hole, and we all know that the Fed is meeting out there. San Francisco Fed sponsors that every year, and this is truly a market-moving event this year. I'm DrJ, co-founder of TradeMonster.com, with your volatility sonar report, helped out by our friends at Group 1, Jamie Terrell and the guys that gave me some of the data we use today.